And here's one of our most popular C5 models. It's the 2003 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible, the 50th anniversary. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car. 39,862 is all in this one at the moment. Of course, anniversary red, shale interior and top. That LS1 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood, paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission in this one. Take a good look at that front fascia. You can see it's not full of major nicks, dings, scratches. Paint has a nice shine to it. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold in this one. If you want to see the car from every angle, check out the undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk, top up, top down. All those still pics can be seen at the uniqueclassiccars.com website, or click on the link down below the video in the description. That'll take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the anniversary wheels, Firestone Firehawk radials, drilled and slotted rotors up front, as well as in the rear. Technician did note the date code on the tires, 2010 and 2011. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see no major nicks, dings, or scratches either up and down this passenger side. There's the shale interior with the 50th anniversary embroidery on the backrest of seats. Selective ride control, heads-up display, electronic dual climate control, AM, FM, CD player. Nicely equipped. I'll show you how easy it is for one person to put that top up and down. And if you stick around to the very end of the video, Jason will take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. It will come with a protective front end cover if you're taking it traveling, going down the interstate, what have you, want to avoid rock chips, we'll send that along with it. It's a Colgan Custom, looks like, by the brand on it. It's actually a nice front end cover. Center dump exhaust back here, and it does have an aftermarket axle back exhaust. We're going to start it up, let's hear it run. It's nothing crazy over the top. I did notice one little nick back here too. Always, again, paint shows well. Check out the still pictures, every angle, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Corvettes, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right up our showroom floor. And as you can see, this driver's side, no major nicks, dings, scratches. One of those cars, get in, turn the key and go, have some fun. A few notes from the technician: brakes straight, brakes are 85% in the front, 90% in the rear. Car drives out great. He mentioned the aftermarket exhaust I already told you about, tire age. So nothing major on this one. Of course, your modern amenities with power windows, power locks, memory seating, power mirrors, Bose stereo system, power seat over here on the driver's side. Bucket seats, of course, and you can see not much wear on the leather of that driver's seat. Of course, tilt column, cruise control, heads-up display I mentioned earlier. We'll check the exact miles here too. There it is, 39,862. Driver's information center controls. There you can see the heads up also. And gauges, that was a cold start, so don't expect that to be up. Oil pressure's up. Battery gauge, fuel gauge, all working. No service engine soon lights, check engines, anything like that. Headlights. No grinding, clicking gears. all good. And you can hear this has a nice deep throaty exhaust note. And again, just a little axle back aftermarket exhaust, livening up that sound a little. Hood liner. Whoops. All right, there it is, 5.7 liter. LS1. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. What you'd expect. Looks like we have an Optima battery over here. And from the passenger side, no surprises underneath the hood. All right, I am going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to show you how easy it is to put up this convertible top. We'll check out the condition of that. I'll show you how it goes back down. And then Jason's going to take it for a drive. And the convertible top up, so you can see, very easy to fold up, one person. I'll show you going back down to at the end of the video. All right, nice tight fit above the windshield. So shale in color, we'll call it, kind of matches the interior. Little color there to it. Otherwise, this thing's very nice shape. No rips, tears, holes. Yeah, you can barely see that. Glass rear window, electric rear defog. Around to the passenger side, you could see side windows fit good on both sides. And again, no rips, tears, holes. Nice tight fit above the windshield again. The condition that you'd expect in a car like this, good shape. And if you stick around to the very end, remember, Jason's gonna take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. I'll fold that top down in the storage area. It's a 2003 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible, 50th anniversary. Remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. A little over 39,000 is all. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus. Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars.
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
Our showroom.
One of 114.
And beyond. New episodes every week. Only on Motorhood.
Today, let's take a ride in a 2003 Chevrolet Corvette 50th Anniversary Edition Convertible. We do have the top down today. beige, kind of a interior, looking very dressy against the burgundy exterior. The combo that is specific to the 50th anniversary editions. 5-speed, I'm sorry, this is a 6-speed manual for the most fun. Of course, you're up to speed and speeding by the time you hit third, but that just means you can go 5, 6. Now I'm getting good miles per gallon. Stereo sounds great. Less than 40,000 miles currently on this car. She's barely broken in. Very nice looking all the way around. Leather bucket seats, comfortable of course, power amenities. The AC blows cold in this car. All the great handling characteristics of a Corvette. Excellent braking. Our temperature's reading about 190. The oil pressure 40 psi. The battery's charging over 14 volts. And the gas gauge is at 3/4 of a tank. Let's shift down a little bit. Tachometer and speedometer working as they should. Exhaust sounds very nice. I couldn't tell you if it's stock, but it's close, but it sounds good. This car corners very well, as every Corvette should. Heads-up display giving me the vital statistics right in the windshield. Find all the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.